Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Today we are playing or we are going for a debate, and the debate is very interesting. We are talking about public transport and private transport. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. So we are going to start. Let's dive into the debate. Yes. So, dear, first I want to ask you, sir, why are you in favor of private vehicle? Why you are in favor of private transport? Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is
You
Shivam.
should speak loud.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shivam. Thank you, sir, giving me this chance to say about private transport.
Why are you in favor of private?
Private transport is very comfortable, convenience about the time and routes, because I can adjust our routes, and
Okay.
it is very comfortable for for traveling.
Can you give me some more? Okay, so we can reach directly to the home, but the
We
public
cannot
transport
reach
has
at the bus
take us
stop.
only on the stand, up to the stand. But by private we can reach our house. Wait.
Then our walking is good for health. Office one.
Walking is good for health, sir. Walking is good.
When
Sometimes.
go to
Sir,
office, little walking and doing
Sir,
exercise is
if
good.
you are tired, then what do you do? If you are tired, then you will not walk, and you will not walk.
You can't walk. Morning is good. Walking is good, but in the
Walking-
morning time, not in
But
the
no,
traveling time.
yes, sir.
No, every time. Every time exercise is good.
If you came at night,
Walking is good for every time. Every time.
sir, if you came at night, how can you walk? How can you don't
Earlier,
care, you
in
don't care
earlier
of bad
time
people.
when our ancestors were working in a field, then they get also tired, but they do their work by themselves. And right now there are so many equipments and objects there, but they used to do that things with their hand only, and they walk so far, miles and miles.
Yes.
They are also get tired, but that was the reason that they are so healthy till date.
So like you always not to depend on your vehicles.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to walk.
Sometimes
You need to walk.
need to do some physical activity.
Physical activity.
Walk is private transport.
Huh?
Walk is private transport. You can say
Walk is not a transport.
yes. Walk is a private transport.
But it helps, like,
You are working by yourself.
Walking, we cannot say that it's a transport. First, we can't
We can-
we can't say walking is a
And
transport.
one thing what I experience myself, walking anytime, if you are walking alone or walking with your friend, it reduces your stress level,
Yes,
and
yes.
it will help improve your mental health.
So sometimes we should walk.
Yes. Hi, hello everyone.
You are in favor of?
I'm in favor of public transport.
Okay, yes.
In private transport you can carry your pets, but in the public transport we can also carry our pets. Everybody can carry their pets, but you have to do reservation for them also. Firstly,
We can
like,
do. We can do.
yeah,
We can carry the pets
yeah,
in public.
in public, like not in the bus, but if we are going in a train, or then you have to do a reservation for your pets also.
So like it's a rule.
Yeah, it's a rule.
Okay, sir.
You
This
can-
is new
you
thing
can
which I got
carry-
to know.
you
Which
can
I-
carry your
this is-
pets.
This is a new thing
And,
which I got to know. Yes.
Yes, of course, private transport is comfortable, but you can't reach at time with your private transport if there is so many crowd or so many traffic. And to avoid this traffic, we have to avoid private transport too much, because if there is if one person is going in a car, and but in a bus there are 50 or 40% traveling together, then and that scenario there is less traffic on the road, and you will be comfortable in your public transport also.
Great. Very nice.
And public transport is also in favor of to reduce the air pollution, noise
Tell me
pollution.
something more points in favor of public transport.
In public transport, it reduces the air and noise pollution also, and it is very useful for the person who are old age. Who cannot drive by themselves, who cannot travel alone, then public transport is best option for them. And in public transport, in private transport, we are get socially isolated. We feel like a social isolation. In public transport, we travel with so many people,
We can-
with different class of people.
Yes, we can
And
find we can find different
interact
kinds of
with
people.
we can find different kinds of people, we can interact with different types of people, and we can understand each other, and this will increase our social value.
Yes, in favor of.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sumit Kumar, and ma'am said that it is the beauty of country to like share people and like communicate with our bike.
No, that will. If you are like privacy is in your home, if you are coming out of your home, you are in public. Then why are you want?
But I have to do travel, so that's why I come out.
You have to travel. You can travel with public transport also.
No, but I have a car, so but
Yes,
I want the
but
privacy.
if
That's
it
why I'm
is
going by the car.
if it is a very emergency, you can travel with your private transport. But why to get so many crowd on the road for just fun and chill?
For your children, for your
For your
how
fun.
you can make-
It can be difficult for other person. You are out with four friends with 4 car on the road. There is
So it is-
traffic, but it can be difficult for other person who is in hurry. That is difficult for him.
Yes, very nice. Do you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Ma'am was saying that like there is a bus and there is a 50 people in the bus, but there is a loss of security.
Okay.
Like if like accident collapse, so the 50 people die.
Yes.
Then-
So why you are in favor of public transport? Can you say?
Sir, my name is Twinkle and I am in favor of public transport because we have a freedom to virtually go anywhere we want. We
Okay.
can go anywhere we want by virtually.
Okay.
And in private transport, we have to drive by ourselves.
Okay. Look at me. I'm not there. Look at me.
If we are driving, if we are injured, we can't drive.
Okay.
We can go by public transport.
Okay. So like that time you can go by public transport.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
And sir, it improves fuel efficiency. We don't have to repair the parts of our scooty and we don't have to pay for fuel.
okay.
It saves our money. It saves our time.
It saves our time. Like when can you give me some more examples so I can understand real example of Delhi so I can understand you like clearly.
Sir, my brother owns a scooty.
Okay.
It takes very much to repair it.
Okay. How much like 500, 1000?
Sir, there has been an accident
Okay.
and we have to pay 5,000
5,000 rupees
for the battery.
on the
For the
scooty.
battery of the scooty.
Even I have not like spent 5,000 like for a whole of the month or 6 months while traveling in a metro like that. Yes.
Yes, sir, we have to spend.
It is very costly to
Yes,
maintain the private vehicles. Very
It
costly.
is very costly to maintain the private vehicle and we can go by public transport easily.
Yes. Like, can you give me some example about you so I can understand? What do you do? What do you use usually?
So I usually use metro
Most of the time you use
most of the
metro.
time. Metro saves time.
You want to
sir.
say something? Okay. Okay.
Metro saves time, sir.
Okay. So yes, dear. What do you want to say? Can you speak?
Like sir, if there is an accident of public transport, so it cost expensive.
Okay.
Like economy of our India get down because of the like a railway accident,
Okay.
metro accident. Like
People have.
1 month before, like metro station. I don't remember the name of the metro station, but the metro station collapsed down.
Okay.
So it's a costly
So it was a natural accident or like natural incident or what was?
natural incident.
Natural. Okay.
So it cost expensive, I think.
Okay. So it is more expensive.
Yes.
So that's why you think that a private vehicle is good because there is
Yes, sir.
security.
There is security and you can repair your vehicle very easily.
Okay, which one is more good? Bike is good or car is good? What do you think?
So both are good.
Both are good.
Yes.
Okay. Private vehicles. Why are you in favor of? What are the good things in favor of you? Can you speak something 2 minutes about your like in favor of?
I gave some example and those are I feel and I say in my family. So after 5 or 6 p.m.
Okay.
I tell to my mom that I want to go there and here. So my mom said it's a time when driver was take alcohol and they drive roughly.
You are very right. You are very right.
They
It
drive
is
roughly.
true.
So you don't go. If your brother wants to go to take with him, so you go.
Okay, if your brother will go with you, then you can go.
Yes.
Otherwise, you are not allowed to go.
Yes.
Okay, so you always have a need of your like help of your brother like that.
Yes.
Whenever you want to travel outside. Okay.
If your father, brother, and anyone was go with you in your own vehicle, so you can go. And this is the main problem, and we say in my area
Okay.
that and this is not in this is in bus and auto, both of them. I can
I can't say it on other people.
I can't go in evening or night anywhere without my family.
But with the car, you can travel.
Yes.
There is no problem.
And in private transportation, you go anywhere in any time. Like I gave some example. In midnight,
Okay.
I am not able, and
How many days before it was?
I give example.
Okay.
I'm not able, I'm not well, and like my mother is not well, my father is not well. So what we do?
Yes. Wait. Yes, you want to say something? Yes.
There is so many things like Ola and Uber and Ola, and if it is in medical emergency, you have 112 number, 102 number, that is ambulance. Everything is there. And
But a private vehicle is a first.
yes, if it is emergency, you can go with your private vehicle, but it is not that if I don't have car, then I don't get any transport at midnight for my medical emergency. I can get medical emergency.
In midnight, you wait for everything.
No, it will take
I think in the wayside
10.
area it is quite difficult to get Ola Uber. It is not possible to get.
It is not possible in every area.
City area it is possible, but in their area if they come from like village side area, so it is quite difficult to get Ola Uber in the night time.
In Haryana, I don't see many Ola Ubers like this thing. I see only bus, private vehicles. And I give some more example. Like I was like next day was my exam, and I want to go in railway station, and my timing was like 2 or 3 a.m. in midnight. So what we do? We go for personal vehicle. We don't trust anyone or anybody for in midnight. Family also think safety is must important for mostly for girls. My
Okay.
family are very possessive for me and my sister, my mother, every girl.
So you prefer like private vehicles.
Yes, in this situation I prefer private.
Very good. Yes. Do you want to say something?
Mostly people has no private vehicle, so we used for a
Everyone was on, and
mostly people has no private vehicles.
so they
They should do hard work in their life. They should have hard work. They should.
and I wanted some or more thing in private vehicle. I would prefer a car. We may be safe,
Huh.
but in on bike
It is.
not safe and damage and
Yes. Yeah.
Driver's duty.
Yes.
That's driver's duty. I enjoy one another with family. Very cool on our other when our reservation is confirmed. I safe when I more safe then I AC classes.
Yes,
Their
there-
safe is very well.
There are so much facilities.
So much
You
facility.
have money. You can enjoy in public transport as well.
In public more if I but private conveyance is more stressable.
Yes. So
Always concentrate our driving. We always concentrate when you some mistake you very loss.
yes, sir.
Sir, but in public there is no cleanliness in bus or in metro.
Okay.
Some people can vomit in metro, bus.
Yes, yes.
It is. It
This is
is.
the reality.
Is also good and public is also good.
Both are good.
Both are good, but all people's not afford private convenience.
Yes.
Rich people only afford
Cars. Today we have discussed like a great debate between two teams, and they have like given their points and they have spoken everything very well. So yes, thanks